Hi, I'm Steve Lubben. I'm a Market Development Manager with Johns Manville, and I'm here today to talk about Spiracoustic Plus Duct Liner. The main benefit that we like to talk about is the acoustical value. Another great benefit of our system is it's a lot lighter weight than your traditional double wall systems. It can be installed out in the field as opposed to a double wall system. So if there's small jobs, small contractors that really like this product, they can go out and install it in the system. It doesn't have to be done in a shop. Some of the additional benefits are the aesthetics of a spiral pipe. Starting to see a lot more of that stuff being put up in restaurants and under exposed ceilings. Yet another benefit is the labor. It just takes much less labor to put our systems together with the Spiracoustic Plus as opposed to the double wall. In a lot of cases, one single person can install the Spiracoustic Plus, where in most double wall systems it requires two people. Another great feature of Spiracoustic Plus is the efficiency of installing it. Simply measure, cut, tape, and slide it into the sleeve. What people really like about our Spiracoustic system is the size ranges that you can use. We go from 6-inch all the way up to ducts as large as you could stand in. We put duct systems in stadiums, arenas. We put very large systems in and very small systems. So it's just very versatile in the different ranges of sizes. To learn more about Spiracoustic Plus and all of our other great products, check us out at jm.com.